and we hold exactly at our support level. I told you in a previous video here, we did it. I told you at April 12th of April to watch out for this level, and boom, we hold exactly as the line that I drew before, and that's what we respected this level because it's and like really important, guys, really important. That's why we stop. Is not by coincidence, because it's the right price value right now. And the next move, what's the important move that we gonna see for LKCO? Really important level. I actually recorded this pre-market. As we can see here, LKCO actually won on CTRM. That's why I make the video for LKCO first today. So guys, go and do like the voting, so you let your stock be reviews first. So now, yesterday I did SOS and Zoom. Today LKCO and CTRM. LKCO I will do it first because it's 23%, just 1% out from CTRM. That's what I'm doing. LKCO first. So guys, without further ado, let's go to the LKCO prices and what's the price for this week, not the next week, just this week. Important level. Before we go to the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. No BS, no editing, straight information, straight charts. So hit notification so you never miss any of my future update like this one, and like, comment, subscribe. Comment below if you have any question about the next prices and what we're gonna do about if we hit those prices. So let's get right to it. As I told you before, guys, the price been squeezed down. I told you to watch out, because when we've been trading here, I told you when we have just closing candle with this not just viable volume, as I told you at 8 April before we actually closing, we saw this big massive move, and I told you insider selling, because I told you not supported volume. This is crazy, because no volume here, nothing. That's why we saw this drop after, and today we're gonna see a big drop again, because guess what, guys? Why we stop here? Always ask questions. Always ask question why something happened, because this is not by a chance. We stop at $1.11. As I told you, $1.11. Always the price respect our level at the Trading Jesus channel here. $1.11. Always stress so much about this level, because this is really important level where insider actually test the market before they close, and after the market open there will be a major move. So if the price, as I told you in the previous video, if we saw the price close here, this is really important, guys, really important, because as we can see here, look with me, the price actually doing this, look with me, doing this crazy squeeze level kind of level. Look with me, this is really crazy, this is really important. Look with me, the price is actually squeezed. Look with me, and now we kind of officially not closing below, but we have a bit of dip below, testing for the forbidden area, as you want to call it. This is a really forbidden area at $1.08. That's why we didn't stop at it. That's why we don't close the session at it, because this is a really just a test for the market maker. Is there are they gonna take it lower, because they test the price value just below our the price value at the right time was at $1.11. That's why we close we touch before we actually closing the candle yesterday at $1.11. So as we can see here from the chart tells us a lot, guys. We been squeezing down. When you have this triangle been squeezing down, the high probability that we going down again, because we touch the exponential moving average and we close below it. Here we just touch touch 1, touch 2 and bounce with enough volume. This the warning sign when I see the fake volume. You see guys, here look with me, here just 39k, here 70k, here 70k, here almost 200k. This is good volume, but here the last one that we touch our descending line, this was it, because we actually touched the descending line at the same time we touch our support at $1.29. So as I told you, if the price hit below our exponential moving average here and we close our candle, this is what I told you always, we need a confirmation. The confirmation is we need a closing candle. We don't need actually a closing candle below our exponential moving average, or let's say at $1.06, $1.05. If we have a candle closing here, guys, by this week we're gonna see the price actually going hard. At first we might see a bit of buying pressure at 0.95, then we're gonna see the 0.85. so first at the 0.95 we're gonna see a bit of pressure, fighting a bit. We might hold. If we don't have any buying pressure here, we're gonna see the 0.85 for this week, guys. This is really important because now been squeezing a lot, and now the price gotta give the clear indication that we gonna go to this prices, as I told you, a closing candle below our exponential moving average. This is indication that there is a big move and the market maker gonna take the price lower at 0.95 below the $1, and the other price if we don't hold up at 0.85. And 0.85 maybe we will go there if we don't hold by the next week at the 0.95. And this is crazy, guys, because this kind of scenario happened a lot with a lot of stocks, and actually happened now to LKCO, and now the price has been squeezed. As I told you, this is fake out of candle, big candle with empty volume inside. This is like you have a some kind of empty filled candlestick, is like a filled balloon. It is not like a real candle, but is empty candle inside without real buyer. That's why I told you the price will go down from the last week. So if you watch the video, actually you've been notified by this warning sign. The other indication, guys, if we actually hold this level at above the $1.011, there's a potential, of course, we hold above this level and we test again the 0.17. There's a big chance that we're gonna see this play through, and we're gonna see big jump if we have the buyer actually coming in to break first from exponential moving average, then test the $1.29, and here big massive resistant level, unless we have a supported volume like we have here at 18th of March, and we have the big jump when we actually dropped at the beginning of March. So we might see this play through if we actually get squeezed and we got above our descending line just a bit, and we closing candle here, we're gonna see a big jump, and around the $1.29 exactly we have to have at least, guys, at least we need to have 200k worth of volume to actually take us above this level, and we close above it to change our trend, the descending trend. This is really important, guys. We don't need to go below, and we close below our exponential moving average, because when we do this, as I told you, high probability we going again to 0.85, and this is bad news for LKCO, because we are actually trending, would be officially trending between the two AMA, and this is a sign of weakness. And as you can see here, an AMI is actually below the 0 now, and this is indication of decrease in volume, and we got this warning sign actually clear out the moment that we actually cross from this descending line. As I told you, when we had a closing candle below our ascending line, I told you this is a big sign of weakness, and hopefully you saw the video and you have been notified and you protect yourself at this level, because it was perfect exiting to actually buying in the lower prices. And hopefully we hold here to actually see a bounce for LKCO. Otherwise we're gonna see a lower prices, as I told you, as and notified you here, the two prices you have to watch out for this week. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. As always told you, be patient and be actually ready to hunt for the exact right price value. And as always try to improve my channel, guys. Go and try to make the poll here and vote for your favorite stock, so you actually make it being reviewed first. Now, as I told you, LKCO has won, and CTRM, so this is me. Will be easier to see my subscriber what they are interested in, and try to keep my channel up to date for you guys, because there's a lot of stock to choose from, and try to see which the more people have asked me to do review about, so I could actually have one of the stock reviewed first. So it would be fair play, you know. That's you decide. That's what you I want from you guys. Just vote to see which one I will actually start the day with. So without further ado, see you in the next video, and in the meantime, be ready to hunt, and see you in the next video. See you guys.